Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show how to make pie chart from different data points in Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, I have tabulated different data sets here, and the first column is representing name of uh, a, a name of six different characters which are very popular, and the last column is representing the yearly income, okay, of that six characters. So for simplicity, I am going to just delete all this row. So, or I'm not going to delete it. I will just make it blank. Okay. So now I'm going to make a pie chart to represent the which characters is making which salary yearly, in a very beautiful representation, like in graphical way. Okay, so for doing that, first you have to select the character's name, and after selecting you have to click Control so that you can select the yearly income, and then you have to go to the tab Insert, and here you can see there is an option like Insert Pie or Donut Chart. So click on that, and in the drop down, when you click 2D pie, it will automatically generate this pie chart. Okay, so from this pie chart, you see uh, Ross, Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, and Chandler. They are making different slices from the pie. Okay, and each of the characters is representing different colors. So you can easily understand which portion. You can actually visualize which portion is making by which characters. But it's very difficult uh, to identify from this which one is making how much money or which percentage of money from the total income. Okay, so first let's change the title. So just give the title yearly income. Okay, yearly income pie chart. By the way, to change the title, what you have to do, just bring your cursor here and double click, and then you can edit this pie chart title. Okay, so now when you want to make it more user friendly for the audience, just click on the pie chart, and you see there is a plus sign on the very top right, so which is showing the chart element. So just click on there, and you see it's showing chart title, data labels, and legend. So you have to select data labels, and when you are selecting data label, it is showing how much is making by each of the characters. It's showing in each of the slice. Okay, so it's an improvement from the previous pie chart what I made. Okay, but you can make it more improved. Okay, so to do that, just click on this arrow and select more options. So in the more options, uh, you are directly going to level options. So in the level options, uh, when you click on this arrow, you see there are different level contents. Okay, so I'm going to show which one is going to represent which. Okay, so what you are going to do first, you are going to take the percentage, okay, instead of value. So as you are selecting percentage, it is showing percentage as well as value. but we don't want to show the value anymore, so that's why you can unselect the value, and it's only showing the percentage, which character is making which percentage of yearly income from the total yearly income. Okay, and next what you can do, you can just select category name, then you can see each slice is showing percentage of the income as well as the name of the slice, which slice is representing which characters. Okay, so next I am trying to, as you can see now this is representing here, but you can adjust the level position actually, so you can create it in the center, which is not looking very good to me, so I can select inside and this is okay, but maybe we can make it better, so outside end, yeah, that looks much better. Okay, so I'm going to keep it there. Let's say the best fit. Okay, no, I like the outside end better, so let's keep it there. Okay, so next, uh, so now it's looking much better, so, and it is just 6 characters, but as if you want you can actually show thousands or hundreds of characters and their salary or other data and make a pie chart from there. Okay, next what I am going to do, I am going to show you how you can adjust the different slice of this pie. Okay, so for doing that you have to select the actual pie, and then you see at the right side the options came like angle of first slice or pie explosion. So if you change the angle to, for instance, this is 0 degree, now you can select it to 20 degree and you see it has been changed. Okay, but I like the angle, so I'm keeping it there. So for pie explosion, what you can do, you can I'm just randomly placing 25%, and you see now the pie has been changed to this 25% explosion. Okay, so you can keep it like this, and or if you want you can change it to 10%, or I would keep it 0%. Okay, so this is one option, and but for instance if you want to highlight a specific slice of the pie, for instance I want to highlight the income of the Ross, and as he's making the highest income. Okay, so for instance I want to highlight only this slice, so to do that you have to first select only this slice. Okay, and after selecting this slice just put a number of the point explosion. So for instance I'm going to place it 25%. So as you can see this has been highlighted, so the income of Ross is highlighted, that slice is only highlighted. Okay, so that way you can make a nice looking pie, and you can actually make it more user friendly to the audience which are not mainly technical. Okay, you can also add some additional features from the pie. For instance this is a 2D pie. Okay, so if I go insert and go to pie, after selecting the pie chart you can show 3D pie, or you can select donut. Okay, so it is up to you, but I like more user friendly, which is 2D pie, and you see this is much better shape. Okay, so but you can change it according to your requirement or your wish. Okay, I think that's all for the pie chart, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you enjoyed this session, please like, comments, or subscribe. And in the next session, I will come up with some more interesting operations of Microsoft Excel. Thanks everybody.